Thanks for the click. This is Adam, WorkPatterns co-founder and CEO. I'd love to give you a quick tour of the product. WorkPatterns is a system that helps teams operate more effectively and makes implementing management best practices automatic. By simply using WorkPatterns to replace your one-on-one and recurring meeting agendas, you'll stay more aligned with your teammates, minimize disruptive pings, and build stronger relationships with timely feedback and recognition. Let's get started with the tour. WorkPatterns is organized around your work relationships. As you can see here in the left navigation, you have a shared workspace for all the people who you have one-on-ones with. The shared workspace is private between the two of you and serves several functions. First off, it's a collaborative agenda for your one-on-one meeting. Instead of disrupting each other with DMs or adding things to a doc that no one looks at, you can add what you want to talk about as a discussion topic, which ensures the thought gets captured and allows you to address it at the appointed time. Workspaces also help teams get work done asynchronously. Instead of waiting for the one-on-one meeting to occur, you can respond to discussion topics in the comments and resolve open issues throughout the week. You can also see completed items down here. Workspaces also have a section for action items down here that have a clear owner and a due date. You can create an action item here or convert a discussion topic to an action item when appropriate. Both discussion topics and action items can either be text or you can record a quick video or screen recording. Once you have all of your workspaces set up, you can see all the action items assigned to you and your team from the Action Items tab here. This makes it really convenient to know what you have to work on and what's expected of your team and by when they should have things done. WorkPatterns also helps to implement best practices by providing research-based suggested topics and by prompting you to give your colleagues feedback on a regular basis. Suggested topics are listed here and help minimize preparation time and to ensure a constructive conversation. You can also customize your suggested topics if there are things you feel are especially important to discuss on a regular basis. Feedback prompts are another way WorkPatterns helps implement management best practices. Exchanging frequent feedback is a critical behavior for high-performing teams, and we make it quick and easy to give your colleagues valuable insight into what's going well and what could be improved upon. We solve the blank page problem by providing simple prompts that you can reply to with text or with a quick video. You can change how often you exchange feedback in your manager assistant settings. Giving your teammates recognition for a job well done is a critical way to improve motivation and team morale. Especially when working remotely, it's easy to forget this simple habit. So WorkPatterns provides a fun and easy way to give people a pat on the back by clicking the Give Kudos button. You can leave a quick note or record a video, add a GIF, and boom, you just made someone's day. We save all the history of your feedback in Kudos so you have a clear documentation on what was discussed. This is massively helpful when it comes time for more formal performance reviews if your organization does those. When people start using WorkPatterns for their one-on-ones, they usually want to use this structure for other recurring meetings. So we've created a group section here. This allows you to create a workspace that you can share with any number of people. Groups usually connect to recurring meetings and serve as the collaborative agenda for the meeting, and the way that action items get recorded to make sure everyone knows what they're responsible for. So that's a quick tour of the product. There are more bells and whistles that you'll discover once you get started. If you want to ask any follow-up questions or want a personal demo, just fill out the form at the bottom of the page and we'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you and your team operate more effectively and build stronger relationships in the process.